And just line it up to your machine and make sure it's right. Now, if you want to do one with a handle, what you can do, cut a piece. Careful when you use this blade. You want to make sure you push down on the right side. Warm it up. What you do is you're using the friction in your hand to heat the clay up a little bit. This is polymer clay. Now you want to make sure that it's bigger than your pattern. If it's not, just add some more. You do not need to use a pasta machine like I have. You can just use a roller. And if you want your rollers to be a specific height, take 2 wooden dowels. And I'll show you. Take what you're using for a roller. Get this close to what you need. With the wooden dowel on top and between, so you're rolling it on the wooden dowel. Just roll it out. Okay, so now that is the height of that wooden dowel. It's obviously not wide enough. Now I want to go this way because I want to widen it out. See how it widens it out? But if you have a pasta machine, it does make sense to use it. You just need 4 levels. Okay, one thing neat, which I just found it. Okay, there's my shape. Without putting a whole lot of pressure on it. It transfers the pattern onto, like silly putty, remember that? So just draw just cut it out based on the shape that you have, that you transferred. Okay. You probably don't need this much of a gap, so I'm going to cut it down a little bit. And there's my basic shape. Now my drawings weren't exactly even, so I cut it down to about here. Okay. And I want this kind of the same as that. And it wasn't over there, but I can fix that. Hold on. There we go. The handle falls out frequently. You have to watch it. It's not a real expensive pasta machine. I bought it in the craft store at Michael's. Just fold it into itself until it's the pliable thickness. I want to transfer that pattern. Remember, we're not going up as far as that one is. And just gently push down a little bit. Just enough. See? And then cut it out. Now, one thing I did not do, which I wanted to transfer, I want those lines on here. So I'm just gently pushing it down, not enough to change the shape, just enough to transfer the marks a little bit. And I'm just going to push down gently so I can see my markings. And that's where I will put my pencil. So you want to bend this a little bit. You'll see why. See, once it's in the groove, it won't slide out. That's going to hold it in place. Okay, I'm not making one like that, but I think I do want a 3-prong. Decide on the shape you want. Now, if you want the same kind of shape that your tool is, just take your tool and impress it. And or cut it out. Now you can go for the same. You can have the same thickness if you want. But I personally like at least 4. Now I am planning on doing 3 prongs. You might have to refresh your lines. There we go. Now you'll obviously have to trim this. just put your little bit of a bend. And press it in. Now you want these to be the same height, so using a straight edge, mark it down. Now make sure that's lined up. This one's a little bit off. Now's the time to adjust it. Okay. Now this one's got to be trimmed a little bit, because remember we cut a little bit off of it. Okay, now I don't want to push down any further on this, because I'll push it down and out. So I'm going to flip it over, keeping my prongs lined up. Just to be sure. See, that's not quite long enough, because I want to be able to reach it. So, easy fix. Bring the 3 out. Hook it on. And now I am pulling them all the way back and giving the white thing a little bit of a tuck. See how it's got little bits of grooves in there? See, now I can reach it in. Pull it out. Okay. Cut 2 more. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it on this end. Okay. I'll line that up. Now what you can do, which works also, remember we did on the larger setting? Make it a little bit smaller. Send it through. Now you wrap a package. That's what I'm going to do with it. Getting a little bit smaller. Okay. Get my plastic out of the way. Lining it up on the bottom. Pushing it in just a little bit. Wrapping this over. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, tip it up, and I'm cutting it off right there.